moment, we became quite frustrated and ultimately decided to push the man. He slipped, screaming.
Chat, what was that sound effect? Oh my gosh. Also, like, yes, I would have pushed him too, but like, okay, you know what? I take that back. I wouldn't have pushed him, but he needed to be pushed, okay? But not like this. This dude did a, hold
Frustrated
on.
and ultimately decided to push the man.
Dude, they pushed him like forward. He did a flip. That's dangerous. They should have like, I don't know, bro. I don't know, but like that sound effect is crazy.